Hello. Hi, Anusha. Hello. Hello, Anusha. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello, Anusha. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, nice. So, just a moment. Actually, we are yet to one other student, two students more are joining.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can be on this Zoom, and also I'm going to call you on the WhatsApp as well. Okay.
Okay.
Just I want to test something, so I'll be calling you on WhatsApp. Please take my call. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just a minute. I'll show some. Okay. Can you see my board?
Not clearly, but I can see something. Call
Okay.
ended because there is a problem.
You can read the heading.
Actually, I have started Zoom also in phone, sir. So it's not working. Both
Okay.
apps are
Can
not
you
working.
disconnect the Zoom for now? Just to come out of the
Okay,
Zoom.
okay.
I'll.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll call you on WhatsApp once again. Hello. Hello. Okay, you can see the board. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, I think that is good enough. That is good enough. Yeah. So I will try to join a couple of more people. 1 minute. I am calling one Santosh because I want to explain few things on the board initially. Okay. Next. Hello, Santosh. Okay. Ringing, I think. 1 minute. Let me check something. 1 minute. I will call him. I think he is not picking up. Santosh, are you there? Okay, fine. Huh? I'm okay. We'll you join the call once you come back. Okay. Okay. Bye. Hello, Anusha. Okay. So anyhow, let us start. He's going to come little bit later. So anyhow, we'll join. We'll start the course. Just let me 1 minute. I'm calling another student. Just hold on. Yeah. Okay. Not a problem. Let me continue. All right. 1 second. Yeah. Hopefully you can see the board, right? Okay. All right. So basically, good morning, Anusha. How are you doing? How is everything? Okay. Did you get any message from the Caucasian people? Uh-huh. Okay, never mind. Okay. No problem. You have some time then. 1 month time is there, so we can do something in this particular course. Okay, so before I start the course today, I want to tell you one thing that in Accenture there are certain jobs. Okay, in Accenture company there are some jobs are there which are called associate. Okay, associate, associate content management. Okay, associate content management or content moderation. So they are calling this particular jobs. Okay, they have both the jobs, associate content management and content moderation. So I have been seeing this kind of job postings quite a bit. Okay, so that's why I launched this particular course. You can hear me clearly. Okay, no. Okay, so that's why it's good that you joined this course. Basically, so what is the course title here? The course title is Content Management and Content Moderation. Okay, so this is the course which is not. It's a very simple basic course. It's a 10 days course and 10 hours basically. Later, if you have time, you can practice it more. So in this particular course, we are going to deal with this many topics. Okay, there are 12 topics will be there. Okay, broadly. So, uh, Yes, yes, obviously. Most likely, yeah, interview will be, they'll ask this kind of questions only. Okay. So, yeah, that's why I'm going to go through like a interview based course only. This is more an interview based course only, not like very deep into coding, nothing like that. Okay. Okay. So later, you can go deep dive into that coding later once the course is over. So these are the topics. First is the website. What is a website? What is a DNS server? What is content posting? What is a document root? I think someone is calling. Yeah, it's connecting. Hi Santosh. Just a minute. I'm going to connect one more student. I think she somehow we lost. Anusha, you are there? I think she will drop her. I'll add her also. 1 minute. Actually, somehow she got dropped off. One second. Hello. Yeah, Anusha, you are there? Santosh, you are there? Okay, fantastic. So you both can see the board, right? You can see the screen. You can see the board, both of you. Santosh. Okay. Yeah, no problem. I will read it out because I have to adjust a lot of things. But anyway, Santosh has joined, so I will start it once again. So Santu, here Anusha is also there. She also BTech Computer Science, and you both are BTech Computer Science, so that's good actually. You've taken up this course. So basically, so today's the course is the content management and content moderation. The course title is called content management and content moderation course. Okay. So first of all, why are we doing this course? So the reason behind I designing this course is basically I've been seeing a lot of jobs in Accenture company and another Wipro company also. They are posting frequently this kind of jobs. That is associate designation. Designation is associate and content management and content moderation. This is the designation. So they are recruiting people for associate position in the domain of content management and content moderation field. Okay. That is why I designed this particular course. And once you clear this course, once you go through this course, it's a 10 days course, basically 10 or 12 hours course. Once you go through my course, you will be able to attempt that interview easily. Okay. So already Santosh has applied for the job. I think Anusha, I will also guide you how to apply the job also. Okay. And this sorry. Yeah, see, I will give you the link how to apply for the job on the Accenture website. Okay, I will send you the link. There are a lot of that's what Santosh has applied recently also. So same thing I will share you how to apply. So even these jobs are quite frequently they are coming up in the Accenture website. So anytime you can apply and go to the interview just to understand how the questions they are asking. So coming back to this course, content management and content moderation. Okay. So in this course, I have broadly classified this course into 12 different topics. Okay. So these are the topics which we will be covering. First topic is what is a website. Second is what is a DNS server. DNS server. We will also understand what exactly is content. What is a document root of a particular website? What are the things make a website? Like what is code, what different types of codes, and what are the digital assets that will make this a website, and how exactly, what is a content management system, CMS, okay, what is a content management system, and how exactly it works, the content management system. So here we are entering into the crux of the course, but these are all the initial requirements for understanding the content management system. Then once we understand the content management system, what are the different content models available, what are the different content models and types, okay, and within the content management system, what are the different roles available, what are the different roles of people available, okay, and how exactly the content publishing goes on, okay, and then what is content moderation, this is called a content moderation. So what is content moderation, we'll understand, and within content moderation, what are different types of contents we can moderate, okay, and coming back to the content moderation itself, what are the different ways and means of doing moderation. So these are the different topics which we will be dealing during this particular course, okay, am I clear? Yeah, so we'll go to the Zoom class in a just a minute. Hello BN, we just started the course, if you are free you can join, otherwise it's okay. See, okay, I will send you that in WhatsApp. Uh-huh. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. No problem. Bye bye. Thanks. Okay. So that's okay. Sorry, guys. So these are the course contents, right? Are you clear, Santosh? Okay. So now, first of all, let's talk about the first topic. That is, what is a website? Okay. The first topic is, what is a website? Can you tell me what is a website? Any of you? Santosh? What exactly is website as per your understanding? Or Anusha, can you tell me? Okay. Okay. So website contains some web pages. Okay. Web pages, and it works on internet. Okay. Very good. Nice. So what about you, Santosh? Can you add something to it? Okay. Yes, exactly. So website can also be an application. It can be also an application like e-commerce application, or digital marketing application. So where he also said that it can show us some features. It can show some features. So what exactly are features? Features can be products, okay, products or services, okay. So if you take any website, it has some features. That's what he's saying. So here the features means the products or services. So what could be a product? For example, can you give me any example of a product website, Santosh? Yeah. So here we are saying Amazon.in. What about any other example you can give, Anusha? Yeah. Okay. Let us also think about something other than e-commerce. Okay. Already Amazon is a e-commerce. He said. Any other website? Any other website, just take a simple website. Okay, YouTube is a, okay, that also is a website, fine. Any other? Any other? Tell me some simple website. See what you have given here. Sorry, Google. Yeah. So I would say, okay. Let us say Google, right? So here we are talking about three different websites. Here Amazon is a e-commerce website, and YouTube is a, I will say that social media website. We can say social media or a video streaming. I can say that YouTube is a video streaming website. Okay, video streaming. So Amazon is e-commerce, YouTube is e-commerce. YouTube is a video streaming. Google is what is Google? Search engine, correct. So it is a search engine. So each of this website has different purpose, as you can see, right? So similarly, can you tell me any other website, not within this category, any other website? Okay, so Facebook and Twitter, these are the social media websites. Okay, fine. What about any other website? Simple. Okay. Yes, correct. Let us say Byju's. Fantastic. So Byju's is a educational website, right? Fantastic. Similarly, suppose if I go to, let us say Pfizer. Have you heard about any company like Pfizer? You might have heard recently, correct? Pfizer. There is a company called Pfizer. Have you heard recently? You okay? What about, have you heard about AstraZeneca? Okay, what about Bharat Biotech? Yeah. Why we are talking about this Bharat Biotech nowadays? Yes. So because they are trying to they are inventing the vaccine for the COVID. So that is a pharmaceutical company. Okay. Bharat Biotech, it is a pharmaceutical company, right? So their bread and butter is to make the drugs and vaccines and things like that, medicines, right? Similarly, Pfizer and AstraZeneca also same category. They are also pharmaceutical companies. Okay. In fact, they are competitors to Bharat Biotech. So even Pfizer is coming up with its own COVID vaccine, and AstraZeneca is also coming up with its own COVID vaccine. Okay, that is why we are talking about these three companies nowadays. You can see anywhere. Even Pfizer, they have already started vaccinating in US. AstraZeneca in UK, they have started giving vaccines in UK, and Bharat Biotech, of course, it's our indigenous vaccine. So these are a pharmaceutical company. So obviously, if you go to this company website, for Pfizer.com, AstraZeneca.com, BharatBiotech.com, there you can see what are the different type of products they are selling. Apart from this COVID vaccine, they are having many different type of medicines, right? They have medicines for cancer, they have medicines for flu, they have medicines for cough. And so if you can go to this website, you can see that most of the medicines and tonics or healthcare products they are selling on on this particular website. So this is, we can categorize as pharmaceutical, right? So like this, there are so many different websites. Like say for example, if you go to MarutiSuzuki.com, okay, MarutiSuzuki.com. What will I find on this particular website? What will I find on this website? Yes. So, so obviously it is a automobile. It's a car making company, right? Maruti Suzuki is a car making company. So you will find exactly. You will find all the different types of cars they are making or different type of SUVs they are making. So all those information is available on the MartiSuzuki.com website. Apart from that, what are the different dealers? Who are the different dealers available in different cities, right? So all this particular information is available on the MartiSuzuki.com website. So you can imagine a website can be of any of these categories. Okay, it can be an education, an e-commerce, video streaming, educational, or pharmaceutical, or automobile. Right, this comes under automobile. So similarly, I can also give you an example of ndtv.com. Okay, have you seen the ndtv.com website? NDTV is a New Delhi television. It's a channel. Okay, it's a channel, or even you can say CNN. You might have heard about CNN. Yes, CNN is a American broadcasting company. Okay, it's a broadcasting company. It's a media company. You can say. Similarly, you have something called BBC, right? BBC. So BBC, yeah. So yes, BBC is a British broadcasting company. It is based out of the UK. Okay. So all these similarly NDTV is a Indian media company. Okay. Indian media company. So they have a channel, NDTV channel. Even all these guys have their own channel. CNN has channel, BBC has a channel, and NDTV is also having its own channel. Like that, there are so many different media companies. For example, if you see HBO, right? HBO, have you heard about HBO? Yeah, Home Box Office. Home Box Office is a company. They are also media company. They are based out of USA. So, so all these particular companies, these are all websites. They have their own website. Basically, fundamentally, they are a media companies. Okay. So obviously they have their own websites, each of them. So all these number 8 group comes as a media companies, right? These are the media websites. All right. So these are the media. So similarly, you can imagine any of these. Like for example, have you seen LIC? Do you know LIC of India? Yes. Exactly. So LIC is their business is life insurance, right? Life insurance. So their company name is Life Insurance Corporation. It's one of the world's largest life insurance company. So if I go to licindia.com, okay, licindia.com, what will I see on that website? Exactly. Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. So they are basically insurance guys. They are basically insurance guys. So they will be displaying all different types of policies available for the users, like the short term policies or life policy, Jeevan Anand, Jeevan Surabhi, or Jeevan Raksha, Jeevan Umang, whatever different types of policies. And if I go into each of the policies, it will tell me what is the duration of the policy, how much is the premium I have to pay per year, how much is the premium I have to pay, and after completion of all the policy term, that is 10 years or 20 years, how much benefit I will get, how much return maturity it will give me. Okay. Similarly, if somebody died in between during the policy, what benefit he will give in both the cases. If successfully completion of the policy, then also what is the benefit, or if something happens in the middle, what is the benefit they are giving. Everything is explained in that particular website for each and every policy they are selling. Okay. So, like that, you can imagine any different type of businesses. See, basically, these are all businesses, right? These are all businesses. E-commerce is a business, video streaming business, and social media marketing is a business. Byju's is a business, pharma business, manufacturing like automobile is a business. Media company, it's a media business, right? Media is the biggest business. Similarly, insurance is another business, right? Similarly, you can think of banks. See, banking, right? Every day we do take money and deposit money. How does it happen? Through banks, right? So can you give me some good example of a bank? HDFC. Very good. What about Santosh? Yes. Yeah. So if I go to hdfcbank.com, if I go to hdfcbank.com, what will I find there? Right. So you can see what are the different loans available, like education loan or a personal loan or a vehicle loan, home loan, whatever. And what are the different types of accounts they are doing? Savings account, current account, business account, like that. Okay. And what are the different schemes available? Like entrepreneur, for example, somebody wants to start a business, how they will help. Okay, different entrepreneurial schemes. Basically, money. It's all related with the money. So, how to open an account and what to do or what not to do. Everything is given on this particular website, hdfcbank.com. Similarly, and yeah, once you log in, like for example, once you log into this website, you can see what are the your balance, what is your current balance, what is your how you are withdrawing. You can see the complete statement you can download, right? So so like HDFC, there are so many hundreds of banks in the world. So everybody has their own website. Okay. So that's why this particular category comes under banking. So even banking we cover. So there is so many, every business has their own website nowadays because it gives easy access for the users. Users can easily access the information or users can easily avail the products and services through the website. Okay. In the olden days, people used to physically go to the bank for doing any transaction. But nowadays, through the website, everything can be done. By sitting at home itself, you can do everything. Right? So that is the power of a website. That is the power of a website. Even very small nowadays, very small companies, they are even small individuals are also having websites. Okay. For example, if you go to today, you please go to one website. I am just giving, make a note of it. Okay, make a note of it and tell me tomorrow what is that website about. Okay. This is the homework. CA Rachana Rachana Day.com. Okay. CA RA CHA NA CA Rachana. Her name is Rachana. Okay, her name is Rachana. Her surname is Ranade. 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 Okay. So tell me tomorrow what this website all about. Okay. It's a small exercise for you. 1 minute. I will give you exactly. Probably. Yeah. Okay. Just a small correction. You don't need to put any CA in the front. Okay. Remove the CA. Just remove the CA. It's a rachanaranade.com. It's a RANA. N for Nancy. N for nest. N for Nancy. Okay. NADE. Okay. So okay, let's park it there. You can discuss about tomorrow. So now so many different types of segments or businesses, they have their own websites in order to provide the products and services for the customers. Okay. So that is about the website. So now how this website works. Let's say for example, if I type here cnn.com. Okay. If I type cnn.com, okay, you know what is CNN, right? CNN.com. Okay, it's a media company website. So how the CNN.com, as soon as you go to your browser and you enter the CNN.com, how it gives us the website? Have you thought about it anytime? So what it will give, CNN website will give, but how it will give? Basically, how it works is, first, as soon as you type the CNN.com, it goes to something called a DNS server. What is that? DNS server. Maybe you might have studied in your computer science, but DNS server. Okay, the request will first go to the DNS server. So that's why now we are in the second topic, DNS server. Okay, so we'll try to understand what exactly is the DNS server. See, as soon as I type any website, CNN, or it can be NDTV, or it can be Pfizer.com, or it can be Byju's.com, first thing is it will go to a something called DNS server. So what this DNS server will do is it will resolve the IP address. It will resolve the IP address. It will resolve the IP address of this particular CNN.com website. See, in the world there are so many millions of websites, right? How did how does it go to a particular website only? If I type CNN.com, it should go to its server. CNN server it has to go. If I type Byju's.com, it has to go to Byju's website, Byju's server. If I type Pfizer.com, it has to go to Pfizer server. Correct? Where are these servers located? Can you imagine? Where are these servers located? Yeah, in data center. Correct? So there are huge data centers. There are big buildings, and where this data those are called the data centers. In the data centers, you will be having these servers. Okay, there are so many different servers, mainframe servers, or Linux servers, or Windows servers, database servers. So many different types of servers are there in the particular data center. Okay, so if I type the CNN.com, it has to go to CNN data center only. It should not go to Pfizer data center. Okay, what happens if it goes to Pfizer data center? So if I type CNN.com, it has to go to CNN data center only. Then only I will see the CNN's features and products, right? If I see something else, then the users will not be happy. Users will simply go away from that website. What is this crazy thing it is showing? Correct? So that is how it happens is through this DNS server. Through this DNS server. So how the DNS server is a translator. It's a translator. That means if I give the website name, it will give me the website address, IP address. Okay. So if I type the CNN.com, it will give the IP address of the CNN website, CNN server only. So here I have CNN server. Okay. In the CNN data center, this is CNN data center. In this data center, there may be hundreds of servers. Again, CNN may be having hundreds of servers. But wherever this particular CNN.com website files are there, to that particular IP address only it will go. So this IP address, it may be something like 172.3.192.0. Okay, example. So this is here. So these are all the servers within the CNN data center. These are all the servers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. There may be some 90 servers. 90 servers. But it should go to the corresponding server only where the CNN.com files are available. Okay, that is what the DNS server will do. The DNS server will give us the IP address of the particular domain See, this is called a domain, by the way. What is this CNN.com? This is the domain. If I type CNN.com, it's a domain. If I type BBC.com, it is a domain. Okay. So all these are my domains. Okay. Pfizer.com. Okay. Pfizer.com. What are all these? These are all the domains. Similarly, if I go to my Tech Talents, see, our company name is Tech Talents, by the way. Okay. TechTalents.in. Okay. So if I type TechTalents.in, again it goes to the DNS server, and then let us take Pfizer now. So if I type Pfizer.com, Pfizer.com is nothing but it's a domain. What is it? Domain. So if I enter any domain name in the browser, first thing it will go to the DNS server. It will resolve the IP address. It will resolve the IP address of that particular domain, and then it will go to that particular data center. Okay, here Pfizer data center is there, right? Pfizer data center. In this Pfizer data center, there may be having some 50-60 servers. Within this Pfizer data center, what is the server? On which server the Pfizer.com website files are there? That particular IP address it will resolve. This the DNS server will resolve the IP address. So maybe here the IP address is something else like 192.6.128.1. Let us say, okay. Understood? So that is how the DNS server works. So the DNS server simply translates the domain name into a IP address. Okay, IP address. Once you get the IP address, what is the IP address? What IP address corresponds to? The IP address is nothing but a physical box will be there. Okay, there will be a physical box that is the server. It may be, let us say, it may be a Linux server. Okay, most of the people are using the Linux server nowadays. Okay, but there may be some Windows servers also. See how many different operating systems are there? Can you tell me? Yeah, Ubuntu, yeah, correct. Majorly, there are three types of servers. One is the Linux, Windows, and mainframe servers are also there. Okay, and basically, broadly, there are three types of servers. Okay, Linux, Windows, and mainframe servers. Okay, Mac also is there. Correct. Mac is there. So within Linux again there is a Ubuntu or Plesk. All these are the different flavors of the Linux. Okay, different companies who Red Hat, for example, Red Hat. Okay, so Red Hat is a Linux company. It's a Linux server. Okay, so all of them are again Linux only, but different companies. Okay, Ubuntu is a company, like Red Hat is a company. You have Plesk is a company. Okay. So let us say there is a Linux server, and so this IP address is corresponding to this particular Linux server. So the Pfizer.com, where the website files, where Pfizer.com website files are there. I will come to the files now in some time. So all these files are nothing but corresponding to the Pfizer.com website. Okay, Pfizer.com website. Understood? So this is a physical server. This is a physical server box. It is operating system is a Linux operating system. Its operating system is Linux operating system. Okay. When I say server is nothing but a hardware. Correct. Server is nothing but a hardware. On the server, how do you give specification of a server? How do you do specification of a server? Server says, okay, server has certain amount of memory, like whether it is 16 GB or 60 GB, 64 GB. It has some specification of RAM, hard disk, okay, processor speed, okay. All these things comprise graphic card, right? Everything together is called a server, right? how much data it can handle, like how much hard disk, maybe some terabytes of hard disk, right? And what is the RAM, or maybe some GB of RAM, and what is the graphic card, what is the processor speed, what type of processor it is, how many types of processors are there generally? I mean, give me some 2 3 names of a processor. So Intel is a processor, right? Intel is a company which makes processors. And what anything else? AMD, yes, Intel, AMD, Celeron, okay. So these are all the different processors. So which gives us the speed for the operating system. So now coming back to on that particular hard box, okay, you have a server. On that you will install OS. On the server you will install OS. OS can be anything, Linux or Windows, right? It can be Linux or it can be Windows. So I installed Linux, for example. So then, so once the request, so this is called a request, okay? So when I'm going to the internet browser and typing cnn.com, what it means, it is a request. It is a request. I am I am sending a request to the browser. Give me the content from the cnn.com website. Yeah. So when I request for a particular domain, the DNS server will resolve into IP address, and then it will forward that request to that particular IP address where the server, that nothing but a server, where the files of this Pfizer.com are available, and the response is sent back to the browser. The response is sent back to the browser. This is the cycle. So every time we request the browser, it goes to the DNS server and it reaches to the appropriate the server, and then from there it will take the files and gives us. So this is the cycle. So what type of files it will show us? What are the files we are talking about here? Is nothing but, see, before going to the files, this particular location where the files are available, that nothing but it is called a document root. It is called a document root. What is it? Document root. So document root is the place, it is the entry point, it is the beginning of the structure where the files are stored within the server. Okay. So for example, I will take, let's say on my server there is a E drive. There is a let us say it's a Linux, right? So there will be like different disks will be there. Linux server, it will have different disks. Like Windows also we have C drive, E drive, D drive, like that, right? Similarly, Linux also it will have disks. Okay, so suppose let us say in the disk number one, it will have a folder called, let us say one folder will be there that is called web. Let us say web. Okay, web is a folder. Within the web, there will be some files, folders will be there. So this is nothing but the document root. This web is nothing but a document root. Sometimes people also have something called a public underscore HTML. Okay, so somebody, it is up to us. What is the document root name? We can give anything. Generally, people will give public underscore HTML. Okay, public underscore HTML is the document root for a website. In the below this public HTML, there will be all files will be there. Okay, all files will be there. Okay, now we'll stop here. So we'll come to the Zoom session. Okay, can you come to the Zoom session? Yeah, Santosh, come to the Zoom session. Okay. Can I think I can see Anusha. Hello, Anusha, can you hear me? Hello. Yeah, Aditya is also joining. Hello, Santosh. Can you both hear me? Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Good. I'll call Anusha. I think she has to. Yeah, Anusha, you can hear me? Can you hear me? Santosh, can you
Hello.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Anusha?
Hello.
Yeah, you can hear me, right? Can both of you hear me?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now I will show you. I think she is still not able to hear. Can you type here? Hello, Anusha. Hello. One minute, Santosh.
Yes, sir.
I'm calling. But we can hear you. Can hear Santosh also. She need to check her microphone. Something wrong, missing at your side. Okay, Santosh. సంతోష్ ఫోన్ లోనా ల్యాప్టాప్ నుంచి జాయిన్ అయ్యావా?
లేదు ఫోన్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యా.
ఓకే ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది, మనం లెటర్స్ okay, no, just a minute. See, what is happening, you have okay, I am typing something on the Zoom chat. Okay, Santosh, can you say hi in the Zoom chat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think you are in the mobile, right? Actually, better you use laptop next time onwards. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now I am going to show you a website that is called Pfizer.com. Okay. Can you see the Pfizer.com website on my screen?
Yes, sir.
So Pfizer here, if you see, these are all the sections. It has your health. Okay. So if you see this health page, right?
Yes, sir.
Here there are different sections. Correct? Can you see, Anusha? Something wrong with her. Yeah. Yeah. Can you unmute?
Now I can hear you, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, we all three are there. Santosh also here can hear. So I am sharing my screen once. I think, see, that's what I was telling to Santosh also. You please join in mobile, in laptop next time onwards, okay? Because
Okay, sir.
mobile is not so clear, and it won't be easy to understand the course, okay? So just
Okay.
for 1 hour you join this using this laptop. Okay, now I am showing you the Pfizer screen, okay? Pfizer.com website. Can you see the Pfizer.com website?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as I said, the Pfizer.com, they deal with mainly healthcare products, right? So here you can see, here there are different sections of the website. These are all called the sections of the website, okay? So here you can see your health, our science, your people, purpose, products. Let's click on products, okay? If I click on products, what it is showing? It is showing, so these are all the products they are having, right? So suppose even you can search, see, suppose they have, let us say, click on this particular product. So it will give me the list of products. See all these products they are making, right? Can you read some of the products? Can you read any one of the item list?
Accuratic, acid-clase,
Yeah, exactly. So accuratic, accyclase,
adenosine,
adenosine. So these are all the different drugs, different medicines they are making, right? So let us say, okay, you take any one of the medicines, aminocline, okay, amino,
immunocline.
ammonium chloride. So let us say if I click on aminochloride injection, right? So if I click on this, it will again show more details about that particular product. Ammonium chloride, this is the product they are making, and what is the content of this product. Like each 100 milliliters will contain this, and description. So here there's a description of the chemical they are using in the product, right? Understood? So,
Yes, sir.
and what is the clinical, what is the use of that, indications, how to, when to use this, and what are the contradictions, what is the precautions you have to take. So they are giving the information about that particular product, right? So Pfizer has thousands of products, okay? uh, Similarly, apart from the products, they also have other things like, as I said in the section. So website will have different sections. Okay. So here you have section, your health, our science, our people, our purpose, our products, right? Let us go to our science, let us say. So what is the science behind this Pfizer? So how their research goes? Okay. What are the research methods they are using? Okay. So like therapeutic. So all this, they study the cells, and so cell study. So this is under science topic. So here studying a cells massage messages in the bottle to unlock clues to the disease. So cell ni study చేస్తే దాన్ని ఎలా క్యూర్ చేయాలనేది బాటిల్లో పెట్టి ఇస్తారు దాని కాంటెంట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ సో like this there are different science related articles. Okay, on the Pfizer.com website there are different articles content. So previously we saw a product related article, right, like amino acid or something. Similarly here we are seeing another piece of information, that is how the cells work, right? So what I'm trying to say is whatever information is available on the website, whether it is product or any science related information or any other information, this is called content. This is called content. Okay, so suppose for example here I took life changes better liver health. Okay, if I click on this link, it is giving me another different piece of content. So here see 3 lifestyle changes for better liver health, right? 3 lifestyle changes for better liver health. This is the title. Okay, this is the content. What is this? This is the content. So the content is nothing but the information available on the website. Information available on the website. So that information could be of a product, or it could be a service, or it could be some useful information like this. What are the 3 different life changes for better liver health? Ante man liver kaapadukovalante lifestyle lo ela undali, right? That is it is the information. This is also a content. Okay, so here the content has the content ela tayaravutundi. Our next question is how this content is, what all different things comprising of this content. Say here you can see one image, right? One woman is doing exercise, right? So that is the image. So that this particular article, this particular content is having different things. One is the image, right? One is the image, another is the title. See this 3 life changes for better that is called a title. That is called a title. So you have image, you have title, and you have the body. So this is called body, the text, the actual text which explains this particular content info article. It is called a body. Okay, this is called body. So we have image, we have title, we have body, and there are some links. You see here they have given some links. These are called links, useful links. This is called useful links, right? And also there are some hashtags. And finally there is a copyright. Here this is called copyright. So Pfizer, this particular information is copyright protected. That means this is information is specific to Pfizer only. You cannot simply copy paste and use it anywhere. You cannot. Okay, and similarly it has a logo. Here this is called logo, Pfizer, correct? So all these things put together is called content. All these things put together is called what is it called? Content. Exactly. So now we understood one content. Similarly, if I go to, let us go to CNN.com, all right? Or let me go to BBC.com. All right. So BBC.com, it has different type of content. As I told you, BBC is what type of website? What type of website it
Broadcasting.
Exactly. It is a broadcasting, or it is a media type of company, media type of website. So in this BBC.com, it is majorly it is a news. Most of the items are called news items. Okay, so here if you see this website, it has a logo bbc.com, and it has different sections. On the top you can see there is a news section, there is a sports section, there is a real, work life, travel, future, more. So these are all called sections. What are these? Sections. So a website will have typically different sections. Suppose if I go to news section, right? See here, obviously you will find all you find is news only. Under news section, obviously news will be there. So within this news, what are the different subsections? You see, home is a subsection, coronavirus is a subsection, video is a subsection, world is a subsection, Asia, UK, business, tech, science, all these are all called subsections, right? Subsections, right? So suppose if I go to any subsection, let us go to UK. Under news section, I'm going to UK subsection, right? Within UK, there are so many different, again there are some sections. So let us see what are the information available under UK. So here you can see different things happening in the UK, correct? Right? Hello?
Sir.
So what are the different, let us say here one article, one content, how lockdown helped a teacher to realize her dream. So let me click on this particular article. When I click on this, anything close, anything last, deepest thing, that is called article. That is called article. Okay. So here, COVID lockdown helped a teacher, Holly King, Mand, realize her dream. That is the article. Here you can see the URL is changing. See, read the URL once. Can you read the URL? bbc.com.
bbc.com/news/UK England beds heads.
So this is the URL. Okay. If I go to a different section of the site, it will go different URL. Suppose if I go to, for example, yeah, if I go to business, click on business, the URL changes. You see, news/business, it has changed to. Again, within business, if I go to, let us say, companies. If I go to companies, so the URL is changing. See, okay. So within business, companies. So again, in the companies, if I click on any one company, let us say one California approves driverless delivery service. Click on this particular article. This is called article. What is that? This is called article. So if I see now here, this thing has changed. Okay. So now each article has its own headline. This is called heading. I told you right previously. It's called heading, and then there will be an image, right? See, this is driverless delivery. So there is an image, heading, image, and it has a
body.
This is called a image title. Here, this is image title. Even in the board, this is image title. Then there is a body. Okay. So within body, you have some bulleted text. You see here. Sometimes there may be bullets like self-driving car test begins Oxford roads. Would you ride? So here, these are called links. Suppose I can have any number of links in the body. Suppose if I can make this a link, I can make this link. Suppose if I click on this, it will go to a different news article. Okay, would you ride a robot taxi? But point here is this is all content, and it has a image. Once again image, and that is and related topics. So what are the topics related to this content? Because here we are talking about driverless delivery. Obviously, the related topics will be driverless cars, artificial intelligence, or car technology, California things. So some related content for this main content they have given, right? And then more about this, more on this story. So more, if you want to read more, like who are all selling the driverless delivery. So Uber. So more on this. So the point is, a content will have so many different type of things, images, links, bulleted text, or more on this story, like this. Videos, even videos will be there. Correct? Sometimes you can put the videos. See here, right? So basically, the content is nothing but what is displayed for a article. If I click on any article, whatever I'm able to see, nothing but content, correct? And the content will consist of so many things: headings, images, videos. What can you tell me some of the things which contains content? Can you tell me some things which consists within the content? Which all
Facebook.
comprises content?
You're asking
Things of
websites,
content,
sir.
sir.
When I say content, what is within the content?
Violence,
Okay.
sexuality.
No. See, look at this piece of content. A content will
Oh, you're
consist
asking
of,
me that type of content. Okay.
Title.
yeah, exactly.
Okay. That type of content. Okay.
Okay.
Space.
So title, image, videos, text, links, all these things, right?
Title, image, videos, body, text.
Related topics, anything, correct? So now you tell me, see, within the bbc.com, there are so many different types of contents, correct? There are
Yes,
home
sir.
related content, there is a news, there is a sports related content, right? If I go to sports, if I go to sports section, right, sports related content is quite different. It has about 4 sports, it has content about football, it has content about cricket, rugby, tennis, golf, anything, cycling, correct? Again, if I click on let's say cricket, if I click
Yeah.
on cricket, it has the, this is called main story. Okay, one of the greatest things, greatest
Main.
Rahane tons put India in control against Australia. Okay, so this is the content. Okay, so within the sports section, I am in the cricket section. In the cricket, as soon as I clicked cricket, it is showing one main article. Main article is about the Rahane's century today, but it is also showing different items. In the side you see test match special podcast,
Yes.
stumped podcast. Okay,
Mm.
so you see there are so many different within cricket, there are so many different contents, correct? Can you see?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Even Hughes hits 96 as 6s beats stars in Big Bash Thriller. Okay, so within the main page of cricket, okay, within the main page of cricket, there is a one headline story, heading story, then followed by all different other stories of cricket, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is this page called? This page is called home page. This page is called home page for cricket section. This page is called a home page for the cricket
Home
section.
page section.
So typically home page will have a main story and followed by different other stories. Okay. So suppose if I click on the main story, it is now this is the article. This is called article. What is it? Article. So this is called a sports article. What is it? Sports article or sports content, right? Are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So all these articles, news articles, whether it is sports article or a business article or work life article, all these different pieces of articles together make a website. Okay, and when I say article, it is nothing but a particular um, piece of content only. You can article and content you can use interchangeably. Okay, so here Australia versus India, they are writing about this test match, and here there is a image, there is a all this content body and then image, and probably there may be a video, all these things, correct? And some people has written the comments here, right? See comments, some Twitter sharings. So all, so what I'm trying to say is a website BBC is comprising of so many different sections. Within the section there are subsections, within the subsections there are different categories. Let's say sports section, I have different categories like football, cricket, rugby, different categories, and within the categories they have different pieces of contents. So how is it easy to manage this particular content manually? Can I edit the content? Suppose if somebody let us say suddenly you get a message that India has won a cricket test match, right? So India has won a test match. Now I want to display on my website that particular thing immediately. So is it possible to immediately change the content so easily, manually?
No.
It is not, because
No, sir.
yeah, if I want to change this, means I have to go to HTML file. See, what is the code behind this content is HTML, JavaScript, and
HTML, Java,
CSS. So many things will be
CSS.
there behind the scene. In order to display this content, we use the language, right? HTML, JavaScript, CSS, like that. So someone has to go to the HTML and change the piece of information that, okay, India has won the test match. Somebody has to write that in the HTML code. They have to change the code. Then only it will be displaying on the website, correct?
Website. Oh.
So that is where the challenge is. That is where the challenge, because it is not physically possible to change the content whenever you want. It is not so easy, because you need a web developer to change the content. But is it the only solution? Is it the only solution that I will call a web developer and ask him to change this content, or ask him to change the logo, change the image, put the video? Is it possible that way to hire so many web developers?
No.
No, it is not physical. It is not feasible. It is not economical to have so many web developer, web designers just to maintain this piece of content, just to change the content here and there. That's not physically possible. So that is where the content management system comes into picture. Okay, that is where the content management system comes into picture, and many of the companies, whatever companies I have listed at the start of this class, all those companies use this CMS, content management systems. Okay,
Okay.
content management systems to maintain their websites, to manage the website, to manage the content. If you want to change the content easily, then your content management system will give you a feature, give you easy way to change the content. Okay, that is
Okay, sir.
where the content management system helps. All right, so I'll
Okay.
continue tomorrow freshly with the
Okay, sir.
content management systems. Okay.
Sir, please provide me the link of Accenture, sir. I'll
Okay,
apply
okay.
now.
Yes, I will send you that. Okay.
Even you said even Wipro is having.
Wipro, I mean, you can search in the LinkedIn, but I will send you that my website link.
Accenture link you sent, sir.
Yeah, I'm sending. 1 minute. Just a minute. Actually, we had. I sent you one link long back. Maybe in that itself, it is there. But anyway, I'm giving you. Okay. There are many jobs. Okay. See, if you go to jobs in the LinkedIn, okay, go to, I'm showing you. See, go to LinkedIn and jobs. Click on jobs, and here you click on content. Okay, content management. Okay,
Okay.
search for content management. So here there are so many jobs within the content management. Okay.
In that the third one, right, sir? We have to apply.
Yes, third one. Okay, I will give you this one. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
keep checking. That's not a problem. I will give you another
Okay.
one also. Like these jobs are quite frequently they are posting again and again. Okay, so no need to
Okay,
worry.
sir.
So Santosh, నీకు కూడా ఇస్తాను చూడు. You also apply.
Okay, sir.
You also apply for this.
Okay.
Just a minute. So immediately both of you apply for this.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. If anytime you want, you can go to simply LinkedIn. LinkedIn, you know, right? Santosh has the ID. What about you? You have LinkedIn account, Anusha?
Yes, sir. I have, sir.
Okay, in the LinkedIn, just to go to the jobs. There is a jobs section, and then in the jobs section,
Okay.
just go to this search page. Just enter the content. Okay, content.
Content management. Okay.
That's it. You will get any number of jobs. Even
Okay.
content writer also there, content marketing, everything comes under this only. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, see, okay, yeah. So this I will share on.
So, when will be this recruitment, sir?
Copy this. No, you just apply it.
Recruitment ఎప్పుడు ఉంటది?
వాళ్ళు జస్ట్ they will call you.
Okay.
They will filter అన్నమాట. మనము ఫిల్టర్ చేస్తారు. అప్లై చేసిన వాళ్ళని ఫిల్టర్ చేసి అప్పుడు వాళ్ళు బ్యాచ్ వైజ్ గా పిలుస్తుంటారు అన్నమాట. we can't tell specifically ఎప్పుడు అనేది. వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడైతే ఇప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్ వస్తుంటుంది కదా, ప్రాజెక్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ బిఫోర్ కాల్ చేస్తారు. ఇప్పటి వరకు ఇంకా ఎవరికి కాల్స్ రాలేదు.
ఓకే.
Okay, so we'll catch up. Actually, tomorrow is not there. Day after tomorrow, it's there. Okay, our classes are not. I thought of initially every day, but it will be alternate days. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So we'll meet again on 30th Wednesday.
Okay, fine, sir.
So
Thank
meanwhile, you prepare a small notes. Whatever I have taught today,
Okay.
you both have to prepare a small notes. Okay.
Okay.
I'll be checking on Wednesday your notes.
Okay.
Okay then. And think about that website I told you for
Okay.
assignment, right? What it does. rachnananade.com. Okay. You have to explain me about that
Okay.
website on the next following
Okay,
class.
sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.